Okay, violas. Here is the page from the packet that I sent you in the mail that has eighth notes on the top of it and starts with song 66, the rhythm rap. So I need you to find that paper and have a pencil. Pause this at any time if I'm going too fast, but this is the page that we're going to be working on. So, eighth notes look like this. We count them 1 and, or TT, 2 sounds to 1 beat. When we have them barred together over here, that means like in groups of 4, it's still T, 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 or 1 and 2 and. But when we bar them together like this, they just look like a group. T, 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 1 and 2 and. Same thing, different way to look at it. So we're going to be looking at them in the groups of 4. Rhythm rap. This is some shadow bowing practice, so you just use your bow. And you can put your bow on the rosin. This marking right here is our down bow. Frog goes down to the floor. This is the up bow marking, the kind of V shape, up to the ceiling. Tip goes up to the ceiling. So we have our bows going down and our bows going up. And usually they just go back and forth in a pattern, but we want to know what those markings look like. And sometimes we're going to see where we have 2 down bows in a row. And I'll show you how to do that. For now, let's just practice bowing. I'm going to count for you and you can bow along with me. Ready? Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3. Rest. Your bow should be going, frog ready to go to the floor for down bow. Down, up, 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 down, rest. When we're adding in some notes, some pitches for pepperoni pizza. I like this rhythm because pepperoni pizza sounds the same as 1 and 2 and 3, 4, or T, 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 ta, ta. You'll also probably notice it's the same as saying peanut butter jelly, which we've done in our classes together. So for violas, our high D note looks like this on the alto clef for viola. So your notes are a little different from the violins and the cellos. So we are up here, but it is still a D, down bow D. This is our high D. What I'm going to do is go through the notes for this one. So if you have your pencil handy and you want to copy down as I'm saying this to make sure that you have your correct letters, feel free to go ahead and do that now. So we have high D, 3 on the A string. D, 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 D. Then we have C sharp, C sharp, B, 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 A, G, 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 E, oops, I'm saying the wrong one. Hold on. Sorry, I got myself off there. It's going backwards in the D scale. I got distracted. I don't want to start this video over again. Let's do over with me, would you? Thank you. So, we have D, 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 C sharp, C sharp, B, 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 A, here we go. G, 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 F sharp, E, 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 D. You can think of the ascending or going down scale for this one. And we're just playing it on the T, 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 ta, ta rhythm. T, 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 ta, ta, and so on. So you can practice that pepperoni pizza on your own time. And moving along to number 68, we have another rhythm rap. So just something to practice with your rosin and your bow. This time we're looking at eighth notes just in groups of 2. And pay attention to the bowing here. So we have, starts with our strong down bow. And this is just, again, on your rosin, shadow bowing. Ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta, ti, T. This rhythm is super easy, so I won't bore you with me going through it all. Just make sure that you're paying attention to down, up, down, up, down, up, down. This makes it a little bit trickier, but you're just going back and forth. Down, up, 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 rest. Next, we have the D major scale going up, starting on your open D string. D, 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 E, 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 F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, G, 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 A, B, 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 C sharp, C sharp, C sharp, D. So you can practice that one on your own time. Moving along to the last two songs here. Hot cross buns. So for hot cross buns, we are starting on our F, which is our 2 on the D string. And we're going to go F sharp, E, D, rest. F sharp, E, D, rest. Staying on D with a down bow. D, 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 E, 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 F sharp, E, D, rest. And this, of course, is the repeat sign. You can practice that on your own time. Last but not least, a Clair de la Lune. I'm just going to grab my violin to demonstrate this one for you. A Clair de la Lune is a French folk song. It means by the light of the moon. We have our rhythm with 8 notes. T, 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 ta, ta, T, 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 ta, rest. T, 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 ta, ta, T, 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 ta, rest. Starting on open D. D, 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 E, F sharp, E, D, F sharp, E, E, D, rest. D, 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 E, F sharp, E, D, F sharp, E, E, D. If that was too fast for you, pause the video. Also note that this part, these first 2 measures, are the same as the second 2 measures. They just repeat themselves. And if I'm going too fast, you don't have to practice as fast as I'm saying it. You practice at your own tempo. This gives you an idea of what the song sounds like. Rest, you lift your bow to go down. All right, have fun practicing.